Hello Witblox makers, welcome to Witblox challenge number 12. If you are new to this series, then check out our previous challenges, link in the description. For this challenge, we will need Witblox Kit, a laser torch, 2 mirrors. This is laser torch. Caution, don't point directly to anyone's eyes. We will need 2 high-speed motors. If we carefully remove this lock from our Witblox motor, we can separate it from its gearbox. Caution, do it very carefully as we will be reusing the motor and its gear. The light from the laser torch gets reflected from a mirror. If we connect our mirror slightly tilted to the shaft of our high-speed motor like this, when we point our laser torch while motor is running, we get some crazy patterns. By connecting multiple mirrors, we can come up with some interesting shapes. This was Witblox challenge number 12 and I challenge you to create your own laser show device. And all the makers who complete this challenge will get a gift coupon from Witblox. And the maker who gets a maximum number of likes will get a tilt block.
And if you don't have Witblox, you can get it from Amazon. And if you want more awesome Witblox maker challenges like these, please like and subscribe to our channel. Bye!